we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DUMOS small armless office chair with rolling wheels, swivel comfortable PU leather computer chair with low back, makeup task vanity chair. Highlight features or overview summary are include: comfortable armless office chair. This armless design office chair is of the highest quality. The chair is BIFMA certified, and the overall sturdiness and reliability have been tested tens of thousands of times to ensure your safety while sitting in our armless office chair. This office chair is perfect for office, bedroom, study, dresser, parlor, and dormitory scenarios. Thick and wide cushion and backrest. The computer chair is equipped with a thick and high resilience PU leather cushion and backrest, a longitudinal pattern designed to keep air circulation. Sitting for a long time will not be stuffy sweating, a wide cushion, and a backrest to give you a soft, skin-friendly sitting experience. And PU leather material is easy to clean, durable. Ergonomic design. The U-shaped design of the rolling chair creates a wraparound feeling in the back and hips, providing strong support for the back. The backrest and seat cushion are designed to conform to the curve of the human spine, which helps to adjust the sitting posture. Reduce physical fatigue and spinal injuries caused by sedentary activities, and improve work efficiency and lumbar protection. Multifunctional use. Equipped with high-quality pneumatic lifters, SGS certified, with height adjustable function, you can customize the height, 17.71 to 21.45 inch, and load capacity up to 250 pounds. It provides you the most comfortable height and safety, whether it's for office or leisure. The chair swivels 360 degrees and features silent polyurethane casters that glide quietly and smoothly without damaging the floor. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.